Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime is powered by an octa-core Exynos 9611 processor and comes with an always-on Amazon shopping app. Highlights: Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime launched in India. It comes with free 3-month Amazon Prime membership. Samsung Galaxy M31 has several Amazon ecosystem apps pre-installed. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime has been launched in India as a special edition smartphone jointly developed with Amazon.in for consumers this festive season. It comes with some Amazon ecosystem apps pre-installed, as well as a complimentary 3-month Prime membership. The Galaxy M31 Prime is offered in a single RAM and storage configuration and has 3 color options to choose from. The phone will go on sale on the first day of Amazon's Great India Festival, with Prime members getting access to the sale 1 day early. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime price in India, availability. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime is priced at 16,499 rupees for the sole 6GB plus 128GB storage configuration. It comes in 3 color options: ocean blue, space black, and a new color called iceberg blue. The phone will go on sale starting October 17 for regular Amazon shoppers. However, Amazon Prime subscribers will get access to the sale on October 16. Prime members will also get Rs. 1,000 Amazon Pay cashback on October 16 on all prepaid payments. The phone will be sold via Samsung.com and select retail stores as well. Customers will get an additional 10% instant cashback on HDFC credit and debit cards during Amazon Great Indian Festival. Samsung Galaxy M31 was originally launched back in February in 2 storage configurations: 6GB plus 64GB for 15,999 rupees and 6GB plus 128GB for Rs. 16,999. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime specifications. Samsung Galaxy M31 Prime carries the same specifications as the original Galaxy M31. It runs Android 10 out of the box with One UI 2.1 on top. It features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity U display. The phone is powered by the octa-core Exynos 9611 processor and comes with 6GB of RAM. Developed in partnership with Amazon, the Galaxy M31 Prime comes with always-on Amazon shopping app that can be accessed by swiping right on the home screen. It also shows updates on new and trending items on Amazon on the lock screen. There is a pre-installed folder that contains Amazon Shopping, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Prime Music, Audible, and Kindle apps. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.